You want to reserve a room for how many persons, sir?
What individual rooms for us?
I will reserve rooms for 4 persons. You will reserve a room for 4 persons, sir. When do you arrive, sir? How many nights would you like to stay in Palawan, Cast?
I want to stay there for 3 nights.
We will arrive there on August 25, and we will be staying there for 3 nights. Next, what room do you like?
I want a bathtub. I want a bird pool. Anything you like.
Okay. What rooms do you have? What type of room do you prefer, sir? We have 3 room categories, sir. We have standard room, which costs 5,000 pesos, deluxe room for 10,000 pesos, and the suite room for 15,000 pesos. I want to reserve for 4 standard rooms. You would like to have 4 standard rooms for 4 persons, sir. Sir, can you hold on a minute? We will just check if the standard rooms are available for those days. Alex, can you check the rooms for August 25, 26, and 27 for standard rooms?
Booking for standard rooms are all black on the dates 25, 26, and 27.
Okay. Thank you for holding, sir. We are sorry to inform you that all standard rooms are all black for those dates, August 25, 26, and 27. What room can you give us? On your day, sir, all the deluxe rooms are available. However, we will give you deluxe rooms which also cost the same price as standard rooms. All deluxe rooms are inclusive of breakfast, airport transfers, room amenities, has a full shower, and it also has a bathtub. Wow, that would be nice. Guys, they don't have standard rooms, but they have reserved us in a deluxe room which costs the same, but much better.
Wow. Oh, nice.
Yeah. May I know what type of breakfast would you like to have, sir? We serve American breakfast and we also serve Filipino breakfast. We would like to have Filipino breakfast. So you would like to have a Filipino breakfast, sir? That is steamed milk, fried rice, poached egg, and coffee, hansi, or nacho. Okay. What other services do you offer? Sir, we have services such as spa, tour packages, and we also have a fitness center too. Actually, we would like to have a tour in your province. What tours do you offer? We offer city tour, Honda Bay tour, and underground river tour. City tour is for 1,000 pesos, Honda Bay tour is for 2,000 pesos, and underground river tour is for 3,000 pesos. Guys, what tours do you like? We offer underground river tours, Honda Bay tours, and city tours.
I want to explore the city. I want to explore the World Heritage. I want to explore the island. Yes.
Alright. We would like to avail all the tours. How about, do you have spots that my friends would like to be pampered, rejuvenated, relaxed? Sure. We would like also to offer you spa packages now. It would be nice if you have relaxation after your long day from your tour. We have full body massage which is inclusive of steam bath and sauna bath. We have full body scrub which is also inclusive of full body massage. Wow, that's nice. We would like to avail the package. How about your facilities? We have facilities like 2 swimming pools, which is for adults and for kids. We also have fitness center. We have bar and seafood restaurant, and our hotel room service is available for 24 hours. Would that be all, sir? Yes. These are your reservation details, sir. You will arrive on August 25, 2010 with your 3 other friends. You reserve a 4 deluxe room with Filipino breakfast. You will also have tours and Puerto Princesa City tour, Honda Bay tour, and underground river tour. You would also like to have full body massage after your underground river tour. On August 28, 2010 is your departure. There will be no problem in transportation because your reservation is also inclusive of airport transfer. accept payments through cash and through credit card.
I will pay through my credit card. My credit card number would be 5194-6350-4005-1524, and it will expire on December 2020. Please send my